We are now to group number 2, the Evolutionists.
Good day, fellow Planeteers. We are about to take you on a journey of time, showcasing different stages of human evolution to better understand the history of evolution.
I am Lucy's species, discovered in 1978. Ate plant-based diet, which included leaves, fruit, seeds, roots, nuts, insects, and occasionally vertebrates like lizards. Believed to have lived about 3.9 and 2.9 million years ago in East Africa. I was posed with ape-like and human-like characteristics. The top of the skull was slightly domed. My brain was the size of that of a chimpanzee. My face is projected outwards, less so in females than in males.
Hello everybody, I'm a Homo habilis. I'm the first man to make tools, and I'm smarter than hair. I'm a little short, my legs are short, I have long arms, and I'm quite
Hello everyone, I'm Homo erectus. I'm an extinct hominid species that lived from 2 million to 140 years ago. I had a large brain size and I walked upright. We are the skilled hunter-gatherers, and we consume a lot of variety of diet, including meat. We also make hand axes, which were used to butcher a meat.
I am Homo neanderthalensis. I am the closest extinct human relative. I lived in Europe and southwestern and central Asia around 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. I have made and used a diverse set of tools, created controlled fires, and I am a skilled hunter of large animals. I have the capacity to perceive and communicate human speech.
I am Homo sapien, emerged around 300,000 years ago in Africa, of course. I can walk,